How to restore Outlook default setting? You can reset your default setting in Outlook. So let's start with the video, guys. In this video tutorial we are going to talk about, so in Outlook you can see there is a pane like folder pane, email pane, and reading pane. So there is a few methods or way you can reset your default setting. So first you can reset your default setting manually. I will show you, and then I will show you the another way, another methods. So first, if you want to set the default view or settings, you can see there is a three panes: one folder pane, second is the email list pane, and third is a email view pane. Okay, so you can reset it. Go to the view, and here you change. Here you can see the you can change with the any view as preview anything. Okay, so as my case I have with preview, and you can also reset this like this. It will be reset like this. Okay, you can change whatever you want. Okay, so when you reset your view, it will be look like this. The preview list will be visible, and you can also on off the preview list, preview email option, where go to the view again. Under the folder pane you can off the this folder pane. You can normal this folder pane. This is reading pane. You can make it off, right, bottom, or off. Okay, you can set as a bottom. Folder pane also you can minimize. Okay, to do list also you can on off if you want, and you can reset the size of pane like this. Just hit the middle of the pane, this line, hold it, and just minimize, maximize as per your requirement. Okay, you can also add the columns here. Add columns. You can add columns like contacts. Click OK. So here you can see the column has been added here, contacts. Okay, so you can also group or expand the emails from here. You can collapse all group. You can view by subject, view by date. Okay, and you can collapse, expand all groups like this. Okay, you can see all group which is collapse by date. You can also arrange by from to size subject. So it is arranged by from, and it is expand. You can also add column. Okay, so second method is go to the view setting, go to the other settings, and here you have to just tick mark on it. Use the compact layout with the smaller than one. Okay, you just click on OK, and you can reset current view. Okay, and you can reset from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.